and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bunny Lee.
I'm Tien.
And today we are opening up a Pokemon Elite Trainer box.
There's that.
There's that. If you all don't know yet, don't know where you've been, no. But if you all don't know yet, we are actually trying to get the world's largest Pikachu collection in honor of our son Alex, who passed away in 2019 of complications from cystic fibrosis. So if you want to know more about that, we've done some videos on it. So yeah.
Yep. There'll be a playlist somewhere over here or over here.
So on to today's adventure.
See what's inside.
That is what the front of the box looks like. From the top. And there's the back. And the bottom. And the sides. So let's open it up. And see what we got in here. These make me think of Freddy Krueger. The black and the kind of almost black and red lines. And we got a player's guide.
And it shows all the cards that are in the set and all that stuff.
And then the inside of the box always has like a poster picture in it.
It's got pictures of
And that is what
Pokies.
that looks like. You can pause to look at any of them if you would like to. It's too long for my area there. Put that back there. Like that. And that's what the sides of the box look like. Then inside the box, you have all kinds of little things. We have our V-Star marker. We have
Damage thing.
Yep.
Some dice.
Which I'll keep. I keep the die. And then we have some dividers. Some sleeves. Y'all ready? Here it comes. If the camera focus, there's the
Code
card. Energies.
Energy.
Then we have
8 packs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Pick one.
Yep. One in the middle.
We're only going to open one on here, and the rest of them we'll do
You want me to do it?
later. Yep.
Here we go. Let's see what we get.
We're just opening one to kind of show what the cards look like.
Hopefully we'll get a Pikachu
Hopefully
in
we'll
here.
get a Pikachu, yes.
Yeah, if I can get, there we go.
Pikis. So if y'all think we're going to get a Pikachu, comment down below.
Don't forget to use the hashtag Pikachu for Alex. There's the code card for this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can guess the energy. Psychic energy. Oh, fist bump. Go through these kind of quick. To where you can actually see them.
Let's see if I can get that. There we go.
There we go.
I'll keep them all in the focus for you.
Okay. I can't see what I'm doing, but that's okay. Oh, don't want to get got a reverse hollow spirit bomb and
Ta-da.
yay, ta-da. There we go. No Pikas this time.
No
That's
Pikas
okay.
this time.
We got 7 more packs to open.
Look for Pikas.
Yep.
So thanks for stopping by.
Awkward silence.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
If you don't mind.
Buttons down there. Don't mash them. Don't break your mouse or your finger or anything. Just tap it or click, the like button and the subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because we release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And
sometimes in between.
Sometimes a Tuesday or a Thursday or a Saturday or a Sunday. You never know. But
we
mainly
put out at least 3 videos a week.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, on that note, don't forget if I can grab it. This. You'll see this in the end and probably the beginning or whatever of the video. Don't forget that. Don't forget hashtag Pikachu for Alex. It'll be in the description and all that. And we will see you next time. Bye.